We'll guide you through how to sign in and log in to YouTube Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you probably know, YouTube Studio is where you can run, manage, and operate your channel. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, how you can log in and get into it. On there as well, you can go and upload YouTube videos and go and manage them there as well. So if you're running your channel, you basically need to go and use it. So to go and get there is much simpler you probably think as well. So we're going to walk you through this step by step. So to go and get started, what you want to do is come to youtube.com. As you see, I'm already currently here. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right. They should go and see the sign in button, which we'll need to go and click on like so. Now we need to go and sign in here. So enter in your email or phone. You go and use your Google account for this or your Gmail account. And that is what your YouTube account uses, as of course, they're all sort of the same ecosystem. Google owns them. So I'm going to go and enter in my email here. So let me go and type it in, and then we can go and press next. Wait for this to load, and you then need to go and enter in your password. And after we go and do this, you can go and press next or enter. When you sign in, we're going to be taken onto the just youtube.com homepage. Now what you need to do is go to the top right and press your profile icon, and then press switch account. Make sure you switch to the channel for which you want to go and access the Studio 4 and log into with. And I want to use this one here, example tutorial. So I'll go and switch. And as you can see, I'm now on the homepage. I can see my recommendations and suggested videos. And then to get to the studio, you need to go and press your profile icon in the top right, and you'll see the option for YouTube Studio. You can click here. Alternatively, what you can do is you can come into the address bar in your browser and type in studio.youtube.com, and you can access it as well. And here we are. So here we are on the dashboard. If we look to the left, and you've got the different options over to the left as well, like content. And if you want to upload videos, press create in the top right, and you can start uploading. That's it.